News 16 was a bomb that reverberated that you felt that Mr. Ash Mufare put in the OES back office. There's a timestamp, and that's 7 days, 7 calendar days. From Chris Johnson. Attention, founders, please read this. Please share out 1. We are not reactivating on-passive accounts. 2. You are still welcome to join Victory with Ash with any name, any account. Once the top placement is concluded, the leaders will be inviting you. 3. For now, stay tuned for the links to start going out. The question I asked was for people that passed on and you have no access to their account, also lost emails, also forgotten passwords. All is not lost. From Mr. Mufara. To be clear, Victory with Ash was not built to abandon on-passive members. It's to help them be better prepared and update their mindset. It's to up our game. We are leaving the wrong thinking and negative actions from the past, but empowering people. We are not leaving people. In fact, we are bringing them to a higher ground with better protection and more sustainability. Of course, a few bad apples must be left behind and blocked from following us to the dream. Overall, we will have a higher quality, healthier community and potentially bigger numbers. John White and Bill Must. Mr. Ash Mufara is welcoming founders to join Victory with Ash, and that invitation will not aimlessly continue. 7 magnificent elite days to answer those never to be displayed after 7 days ever. This once-in-a-lifetime application requires you to select only 1 account and only 1 you. Mr. Mufara said this invitation isn't to eliminate, but to elevate founders. The bad characters will also fill out the application, but they will not qualify. They forget that every bad negative action has been noticed and they won't be allowed to enter into Victory with Ash. Why should they? Their torment for all the bad they did will be seeing positive, loyal and dedicated founders reap the reward of seeing they have put themselves in line for the education that they will learn in being students in Victory with Ash that will get them ready to enter into Mr. Mufara's spanking brand new company. For those who believe in Mr. Mufara's dream but lost their password or some died, will have the opportunity to be given links to join either the founder they originally signed with or any founder who passed the Victory with Ash platform and receive their graduation links to advance to the ultimate business. That doesn't sound like Mr. Mufara is blocking anyone. They block themselves. That moment is less than 7 days away.